How to get loan on Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply log into your Revolut app and click on home screen. After that, select the option of add money on the home screen itself. Now it will take you to a different page. At the bottom, you would be able to find the option of get credit. Simply select the option of get loan over there and you would be able to check all the details related to that particular loan, the interest rate, the amount that you can take. If the option is not there for you, then it is completely fine, as the Revolut is rolling out this particular feature to everyone else, so it might take a little while before it reaches you. So just check the details of the loan and the amount, and the duration can be set by you. After that, you can take the loan by continuing with the application, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.